Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Data Tech. I am Mrityunjay Kumar Singh. This is second part of the previous video in which I discussed about partitioning, bucketing and one use case. Also gave the demo on dynamic partition. In this session, I will give demo on static partition. So let us start. Now we will show the example of static partition. For static partition, first I have a table, staging table, where we will load the data. Table created. So person is created. Now we will load the data in the person table. Data is loaded. Select. Data is loaded. Even you can see here in the file system. Personal info folder, and see here famous person.txt file is stored here. Now I've created file is already created. This table is already have created. We're going to first here user SD admin static account. Here it is location is static account. Right now with this name already created, so I will change the name. We'll put it here. We'll give some static part, no? So we'll add static here. So this is the table we're going to create. Static part. Go to the prompt and create it. Sort tables. Static part is created. Now, and you can go and say, browse it. Static accounts. This is the location, static account. Right now, there is no data as you have not loaded it. We'll go to Notepad. We'll first describe it also. Same way. Again, it is partitioned by state. Go to Notepad. Load from a file. In dynamic, I had shown to load from a table only. Here I am going to show how to load from a file. Our file is the two files I have that I am going to load it. I will see the content of the file. Come here. This file, famous person mh, have this data. Now we'll go to Notepad and we'll load it. What is the load command? Load data, and we have give the path home from where we have to take this, where the data is in the home SD admin, and into table and table name. Here partition keyword and then state equal to Maharashtra. So the difference between dynamic and static partition is that when you are passing the value of partitioned column, the way, for example, state equal to Maharashtra, then we say this is an static partition. But in the case of dynamic partition, we are not passing value of Maharashtra for static column. Dynamically, it is taking from the file or from the table. This is the difference. We know this file, famous person mh, is have only Maharashtra. So I am going to load from here. Copy here and go to high prompt. Paste it. Where it is loaded. Sorry, something I've given the wrong already. So there will be confusion. Our table name is static sort tables. What is the table name which you have created for static partition? Account, state, static part. Account, state, static part. So I am going to load from file into the partition table an example of static partition. Loaded. Now show partition and table name. Okay, so partitions. Yes. Now one folder is created, Maharashtra, because we have loaded with Maharashtra file. Now we'll go to browse the directory. Let me refresh it. Go to static account. Yes, there is one folder Maharashtra. File is loaded here. Great. Now we'll load another one more file I have. If you want to see the data, we can go and see here. Copy it here. See here, Maharashtra, all Maharashtra. Now we'll go to Notepad and we'll load the Karnataka files. As we know, this file have only data for Karnataka, so we are passing it the value of state as Karnataka to load it into our table, which is partitioned with column as a state. And let me change the name here, static. Now I'm going to load it. So I'm loading partition table with state equal to Karnataka. So partitions table name is accounts state underscore static part. See here, one more folder is created in the name of state equal to Karnataka. We'll go to browse the file system, refresh it. We'll go back and then refresh it. See here, two folders are created. One for state equal to Karnataka, one folder, one directory, and second one is state equal to Maharashtra. So we have seen how to load data from a file into a partition table. Now we'll see how to load data from another table. Table name is static. We'll drop it first. Sorry, table name is go to high prompt, so tables, drop it first, drop table, accounts, state underscore part. Let me drop both the tables. We don't need right now. If you need, we'll create it once again. Sort tables. We'll go to browse system. Here we'll see, we'll drop the folders also. We don't need now folders because we are going to create it. Whatever folders are here, we'll come to directory and we'll see we have to remove static accounts folder. Yeah, remove. Let me refresh it. Now come to high prompt, show tables. There is no table, there is account and person, table is there. Come to Notepad and I am going to show you examples of how to load from another table. This is the command. What you are writing? Inserting into table, static part, which you have created it. we have dropped it already. So let me create it once again. Yeah, this is the command. Sort tables. Table is created. Account state static part. Now we'll load it. What is the command? We're selecting from a table person. So this is the command. Insert, override, table name, and we have to give the value of partition column state equal to Maharashtra, and from where we are taking from a table which is a person where lot of states other values are there, but we are bothering about only state equal to Maharashtra. So we are giving where clause. Copy and paste into high prompt and execute the command. Done. Whatever the name of tables, let me first show tables and then we'll show partitions. What is table name? Account. See, state equal to Maharashtra folder is created. Same thing we will go to see in the file system. Let me refresh it. Folder name is static account. Yes, see, state equal to Maharashtra created. And this is the data. Now go to Notepad. So we have loaded Maharashtra one. Now we'll load the Karnataka from the same table. From the same table, but condition will change. Right now, state equal to Karnataka. Earlier we loaded where clause state equal to Maharashtra. Right now we are loading state equal to Karnataka. Loaded. So statement. So partitions. Great. Two folders are created. State equal to Karnataka, state equal to Maharashtra. Now we'll go to file system. Go back. See here, two folders are created. State equal to Karnataka, state equal to Maharashtra. Two directory. Come back to Notepad. So in the static, we're passing the value of partition column. For example, here we're passing Karnataka. Earlier we passed Maharashtra. So we are able to load it. So there are two ways to load it. One from a table, one from a file. Both I have shown you. So this is all about today's video. In the next video, which will be the third part of this session, where I will discuss about one use case and will give demo on bucketing. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel for upcoming sessions. Thanks for watching.